Hi, this is Lee with learningwithlee.com. We're going to keep working on calculator today. It's not going to calculate yet. We're still working on writing things on there. We had a problem. If you went in and put all these in for when you click on this, do this. That whatever you click on just erases what's there before. Okay, so that's what we want to fix. Now, I'm sure there's a way to do this with JavaScript. I have just never done it. I want to show you what I always use. I never do a JavaScript project without using something called JQuery. JQuery. Now, this is something you can download and link to. Like this is a link. This is linking to my directory on my computer. I've never done that. I just link to it online. And I will put that link in the comments in the description. And it will be on the blog too. So you link to this, and it's a library for JavaScript. Let me show you why I use it. Instead of this document get element by ID, I'm going to go like this, ID screen. Okay, that's all I have to do. And then it has different built-in things, like I can say, I could empty it. It would clear out what's there. Instead of doing like the empty thing like that, just empty what's there. But what we want to do is append, add on whatever number we're doing. So this whole thing becomes this. All right. So let's refresh the page. Now when I push 1, it just adds it on. Okay, so this is called JQuery. And it allows you to do this. If you ever look up code online and you see a $sign, maybe they're using JQuery. Okay, you have to link to that script for it to know what that means. It just gives you more like built-in kind of command things, like that inner HTML. Now I can say append. But mostly I use it for, I can link for things. It doesn't have to be ID. I could be like, get class screen. Like that. The other thing you can do, I'm just copy and pasting. I am very bad about just copy and pasting stuff. They say if you're ever copy and pasting something a lot, then you need to write different code. So we can work on that too. How to write this without writing out every single line like this. But not right this second. Okay, so we can leave that, or we could try empty there. Should we try empty, see if that works? Plus. See if I'm doing it right. Empty. But we're not going to get all fancy right now with trying to make it simpler. Sometimes I like the copy and pasting. I like having it written out because I can see clearly each thing what I'm looking for, because it's actually on the page, not being created somehow. That's what that's supposed to be. Okay, let's see how this is working. So 2 plus 1 equals. Oh, it's not supposed to write equals when I say equals. It's supposed to figure it out, huh? So that'll be the next lesson. Clear. That emptied it. Okay, so today's lesson was adding jQuery. Makes it an easy way to select. One thing, I was just copying and pasting this, so it didn't really bother me, but if you were going to be typing something like this over and over again, what you would normally do is declare the variable screen equals that. And then this gets even simpler. I should have done that first, I guess. You can just like that. It gets even shorter. I can leave it both ways in my code. 2 times 3. All right. So next time we will work on the equal sign instead of writing it, doing something. Okay, see you next lesson.